One of the most remarkable features of DragBlock is its form blocks, which allow us to build forms and manage form submissions effortlessly. Here is a beautiful layout of a contact page, but it lacks a contact form in the left box. To get started, we add a form block to the box and set its name as Contact Us. Remember to set the form action to DragBlock form action shortcode, so DragBlock could handle all submissions automatically. Next, add a wrapper to the form and name it Controls. This wrapper will contain all inputs of our form. Now, we'll add an input block and set its attributes to allow inputting emails. Then, we'll add a text area block for users to input their message. Finally, we'll include an input block with the type Submit to serve as the form's Submit button. Now, let's use the Appearance panel of DragBlock to quickly decorate the form. Okay, everything is done. Now, beside the form action, we also need form messages to tell users that their submission is failed or passed. To do that, first, we add a wrapper with class name FailMessage to the controls and use form message error shortcode to show the error message of submissions. We also add a wrapper name Pass Message to the form to show our successful message. Initially, of course, both messages should be hidden from the design, so we set their display to none. However, we allow them to show again depending on the class name of the form. When the form has a class name Pass, so the Pass message shows. Similarly, when the form has a class name Fail, the Fail message shows. The class names of the form will change automatically depending on the current submission status. Also, we don't need to show the controls when the submission of the form is passed. So we set display none for the controls wrapper when the form has a class name Pass. Let's switch to the live web page to check the form. Input an email and a message, then hit the send button. The pass message shows as expected. An email will also be sent to the administrator of the site if the submissions are submitted on an online web page. Let's test the error message. If you reload the page, the same contact form content will be submitted, which will result in a duplicate submission as shown in our fail message. Now, return back to your WordPress dashboard and select the form entries under the DragBlock menu. This page will save all submissions of all forms, so we could check them again at any time. That demonstrates how easy it is to build any kind of form in WordPress Full-site Editor using the form elements of DragBlock. Thanks for watching and happy editing.